Hi YouTube friends, so I'm doing these a little bit out of order, but we're gonna do a get ready for bed video right now. So as you can tell, I have some makeup on, just came from an event. So first I'm going to use our oil-free makeup remover to clean off my eye makeup before I wash my face. So I just get some of this on a cotton round, shake it up first, and then just gently rub it off of my eyes. I didn't have any mascara on, so I have no need to like let it sit on my eyes, but if you had mascara on, you would want to let it sit a little bit. It's just gonna help dissolve all the makeup. Alright, so next I'm just going to finish up with a baby wipe and just get the rest of my makeup off. Wes is watching Family Guy. Alright. Now, all that's done, now I'm gonna wash my face. So I use my 4-in-1 cleanser and my Skin Vigorate brush for this. I like warm water. I just wet my brush a little bit, then put just a little bit of the product on. Alright, see how gross that is? That's just all that makeup. And just rinse it off so it's nice and clean. Sorry. I should have grabbed my towel beforehand. All right, pat dry my face. Now I use our Pour-Purifying Serum on my acne-prone sections, which are basically my jawline and my chin, and a little bit on my cheeks and around my nose sometimes. So I let that dry. And then, since I am acne prone, I use our Volu-Firm night cream. It's got retinol in it. I just do one little push of it and put it on. It's chilly. And then I just do our age minimizing 3D eye cream. Ring finger, dot, dot, dot. And then sometimes I'll also use my soothing eye gel to give me a little extra boost of a cooling sensation before I go to bed with my eyes, since I've not been getting the best sleep. So there you have it. That's just my quick getting ready for bed routine, especially after I've worn makeup. So thanks, hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll be doing a get ready with me one here soon as well. And I'll do an update on my masking one. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.